Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to cook some chicken drumstick lollipops on my Weber kettle. So if you want to see how to do that, just stick around. I've got 6 drumsticks, and if you've never made lollipops, basically all that you have to do is take a good sharp knife and remove this lower section down next to this knuckle, and all that's really in there anyway is just some old tendons, and it's kind of hard to eat. You want to go all the way down to the bone and cut 360 degrees all the way around the drumstick. And just a tip, a good pair of kitchen shears is really handy here, even though I couldn't find mine, so I ended up just using a regular pair of scissors, but those worked. But a good sharp knife and a pair of kitchen shears is really handy for that. Just a little bit time consuming. I'm going to put a little bit of a poultry rub on here that I make. It's one of my favorites, and I'm going to put the ingredients to this down in the notes, and we'll just brush them down with a little bit of barbecue sauce. So I've got the grill getting hot, or charcoal rather getting hot, and we'll go ahead and put that on here in just a few minutes, so stick around. All right, while my charcoal's getting ready and getting the grill prepped, we'll go ahead and just put a little of this rub on these. And I'm not going to use anything for a binder. I'm just going to hit them with a little bit of the rub. If you guys have got a favorite rub for poultry, let me know in the comments what you all like. I've got both vents open all the way so we can get this grill up really hot. I'm going to cook these indirectly. Put them on this side. When they get a little closer to being done, we'll brush them down with some barbecue sauce and let it set up. Give these just a little bit of room. All right, I'll go ahead and put a lid on, and we'll check them in about 20-25 minutes. We'll check the temperature on them. All right guys, these have been cooking probably close to a half hour, and I do apologize for the lighting. I waited till later in the day and I ran out of daylight, so I've got a little light out here. I'm gonna just temp these with this thermopen, and that one's at 189, 190, so these are done. I'll probably let them go just a little bit longer than I needed to, but dark meat can handle that. So I'm going to brush these down with just a little bit of barbecue sauce, and I'm going to move them over and cook them on top of the charcoal just for a minute or two, enough to let the barbecue sauce set up, and then we'll pull these off the grill. Just use your favorite barbecue sauce on these. That skin's good and crispy. Look really good to me. Alright guys, I've let the barbecue sauce sort of set up, and I'm going to go ahead and pull these drumsticks and take them in and have supper. Alright guys, I pulled these off the grill. It took close to a half hour to cook them, and the skin's crisped up really good. And I've already taken a bite of this. They're really good. If you haven't tried them, I hope you'll try it. And I hope you'll try the poultry rub that I put in the description down below. It goes good on turkey, goes good on chicken. But if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I would appreciate it if you've enjoyed this video, if you'd hit the like button, leave a comment below. That kind of helps with the algorithm, and that way other people would be able to see the video and see my channel. But I really appreciate you all watching. God bless you, and I hope you all have a great day.